From the release of our prime specimen into the wild to the cryogenic preservation of genomic data packet GDA.
The successfully screened breeding stock of Eastern Indigo snakes are transferred into climate-controlled holding pens. Colors. Following successful pairing, the large, glossy black Eastern Indigo snakes are gently guided by remotely operated
Vascularization looks strong here. Confirmed. Logging as viable.
Specimen D-C26 is emerging. High-speed documentation sequence activated. The manufacturing phase is initiated.
The automated gate opens, initiating the release of research conservation specimen D-C26. All sensors are online.
Specimen D-26 demonstrates strong predatory instincts. The successful capture confirms our rearing methods are effective for reintroduction.
The snake's reaction is instantaneous and appropriate. A defensive posture followed by a slow,
Advanced robotics perform full-body X-rays, checking bone density and microchip integration. The D-C26 is now release-ready.
Pressure stabilizing at 22.
temperature remains constant. Clearance protocol is complete.
Automated machinery rapidly assembles a customized, high-density polyethylene transport crate designed for maximum. The newly encoded GDAA26 data cartridges receive their tamper-evident holographic labels.
While the data is being packaged, the remaining biological material from the initial extraction is processed with a...
Shipment status updated to ready for courier pickup. Destination, Major Ecological Research Institute. Transmitting encrypted tracking data and genetic diversity report.
Please ensure continuous temperature monitoring throughout the journey. The integrity of the cryopreserved material is critical.
Understood. I'll monitor it closely.
Please sign here for the GD-A26.
Verified. Temperature and seals are intact. Thank you.
The vials are immediately plunged into the long-term liquid nitrogen storage dewarm, ensuring the continuous...
Look at this segment on the GD-A26 map.
The diversity data here suggests a unique
Yes.
conservation system. Confirms this.
Ranges. The GD-A26 data confirms these lineages are critical for the conservation program.
This high-resolution data is immediately...
This genetic data is revolutionizing our understanding of the Eastern Indigo Snake. It's crucial for large...
The comprehensive nature of the GD-A26 is unmatched, largely due to our rigorous genetic screening protocols.
The GD-A26 model provided unprecedented resolution for the Eastern Indigo Snake genome.
Yes, the conservation implications are significant.
Integration successful.
The viability cluster holds steady under the 2050 scenario.
Yes, the genetic diversity metrics are clearly mitigating the thermal stress.
This genomic data packet helps scientists understand the genetic diversity needed for conservation.
So if we tap here, we see the Python data.
The GD-A26 model.
The GD-A26 that highlights the critical zones here. Based on this genetic vulnerability data,
The clean structure and extensive metadata of this output confirm its utility as an essential teaching resource for the...
The genomic data, G data packet model, GD's the crucial